Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Itsleahjessica. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you get notified when I create content for you guys. And for those of you guys who have been following my YouTube for a while now, thank you for being so supportive. I'm so excited to share this very cute natural glam look today, and if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I already applied my foundation, my blush, my contour, my bronzer, and all that good stuff. So everything that has to do with my face, I already applied it on my face. So we're just gonna do the eyes today. I just wanna do something very subtle. So I was going through my makeup and I picked up this palette right here, the Carly Bible palette. This is the collaboration she had with BH Cosmetics, and this was a deluxe edition. I don't know if it's still in stores or not, but it is one of my favorite palettes. Just the colors are really cute. I really like them. Look at that. They're so pretty. You can create such pretty, natural, really glam, but not over the glam looks with this palette, and that's why I love this palette so much. This is actually the second palette I had purchased because I finished the first one, and I absolutely love it. So let's get started. So I'm going to be taking my E25 brush from Sigma. If you guys are interested in purchasing this brush, I will leave the link down below, and I will give you guys a code in case you want to save some coins, because who doesn't want to? So for my transition color, I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying that on the crease. And the way I like to do it is I like to stab the product right in the crease, and then once I feel like I got it exactly where I like it, I'm gonna go in back and forth like this. I'm gonna put a little more product on there. This is a little dark for a transition, but it's okay. I never end up doing the exact look I picture in my mind. I feel like when I plan out my look, it always comes out different, so don't mind that. So now I'm going to be taking the Sigma E40 brush, and I really like this brush because it really blends the product. It's one of my favorite, the E40 from Sigma. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So I'm going to be taking the same brush, the E25 brush, and I'm just going to stab the product right inside the crease. And then I'm going to blend with the E40. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous shade right here, and I'm going to apply that right underneath the crease. Not all the way on the crease, but just underneath it. This color is really pretty. So now I'm going to be taking the eye shading brush from Sigma as well, and this one is the E55 brush. And I'm going to be dipping into this color right here. I'm just going to apply that on the lid. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to just apply that right in the middle. Now I'm going to be using the E45 brush from Sigma, and I'm going to put some highlight in the inner corners of my eye. And for that, I'm going to be using this shade right here. Now moving on to the bottom eyelids, I'm going to be taking this brown right here. So far I'm really liking the way my eyeshadow is turning out. It's really cute. I was gonna do a wing liner, but guys, we're not gonna do a wing liner today. Let's just keep it super simple, super chic, and I can't forget the highlight, of course. But let's do a very subtle highlight today. I don't want to do nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to take my Kat Von D brush and dip it into the same exact color that I used for the inner corner of the eye. And I'm just going to dab a little because I don't want to do nothing too crazy today. I like it. It looks cute. Now I'm going to apply my Demi Wispies real quick. I love the Ardell Demi Wispies. It's like an everyday lash look, you know. I gotta blow on it so it can get tacky a little bit. Guys, I've been feeling like crap the past week. I got really sick. I lost my voice. Finally, I got my voice back so I can film for you guys. I'm still feeling a little on the sick side, but I'm getting over it. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Kohl pencil. I guess that's what it's called. And I'm just going to put some of that on my waterline. The top and the bottom. I make the weirdest faces when I'm trying to put eyeliner on my waterline. So now that I have my lashes on, what I like to do is apply some mascara. Because when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I get a lot of fallout on my natural lashes. So this kind of just brings all the lashes together and it looks like one. And it just looks really pretty. And I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I just kind of brush it all in together like that. I'm going to show you guys a close-up right now of the difference, because it does make a huge difference. And don't forget the bottom lashes, guys, very important. I don't know if you can see the difference from this one to this one. Big difference. I've been using this one for a while now and I love it. There you go. Now moving on to the lips. So today I'm going to be using the Emily Cosmetics in Basic Beach. And this color is, it's kind of like a nude category. Maybe mauve. Oh, this color is really pretty. I'm really picky when it comes to liquid lipsticks. That's why I created my own line, because I needed to create something I loved. Don't get me wrong, I do love a lot of products, but lipsticks is just, it's just my thing. I'm trying to smell it, I can't even smell right now. And that is it. That is a wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick makeup tutorial. Like I said, I want to be more consistent on here. I want to share my knowledge and, you know, just play with makeup and have fun. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would mean the world. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.